In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted videos on TikTok. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted some of your videos on TikTok and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open the TikTok application. Then click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and click on report a problem. Tap on account and profile. Click on the last option, profile page, then scroll down and select the last option again, others. Scroll down and click on need more help. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details of the videos that you are trying to recover. Once you have done that, tap on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours your deleted videos on TikTok will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.